Like, I felt like I had to lose it all, everything that I've known in my whole life, to gain something 10 times better. Yo, what is going on, man? It's your boy Meech the Preacher, and welcome back to another video, man. I am in the beautiful state of, can you guess? Colorado, man. Let me show y'all the mountains. I can see the mountains in the background, probably just a little bit. Yeah, man, right now we're in Colorado, and I wanted to make a video basically explaining why I made the decision of going homeless, living out of my truck. I've been at it for 22 days so far. I had a week little break when I was in Oklahoma. I was at my family's house, but I'm back on the road again, and I'm back in Colorado. Let's hop in the truck real quick, and then I'll explain. So why I went homeless, why I decided to live out my truck and do car living thing, man. Leaving a good job, good paying job, a house, all that under my mom's roof, man. The first thing is, bro, I needed change, man. I was getting comfortable, but I was getting miserable at the same time, man. I was getting comfortable doing the same old thing every single day, and it was just like, it was just getting old to me, man. And I felt like I needed a change, man. And it has been it was on my mind for a while, bro. Like, it really was on my mind for a while. It was probably on my mind for about 2 years, bro. I found, or maybe even longer than that, I found notes when I was packing up all my stuff to go on this long road trip, bro. I found notes of like video ideas that I was gonna do, and one of them said living out of my car, being homeless and stuff like that. So it's been on my mind for a while, but you know, I just got sick of the regular life and being stuck in the rat race, bro. Like, I was waking up, going to work every single day, seeing the same old people, looking over to my right, looking over to my left, seeing the same old people every day, hunched over, looking miserable, drinking coffee, going to work, bro. That it wasn't for me anymore, man. Not saying I won't ever have a job again, but right now at this point in my life, it wasn't for me, bro. And I just, like I said, I was getting depressed. It was so depressing, bro. Like, my mental health was not doing well, man. Yeah, so it was just very hard on me. So that's one of the reasons. And I felt like I needed a change, bro. I felt like I needed to change something in my life and figure out and try something new, because what I was doing at that time was not working. Okay, it wasn't working. These past couple months, what I was doing, it was not working for me. I didn't feel like I was getting anywhere. Felt like I was stagnant in a pool. And what happens when a pool of water is stagnant is it begins to grow algae, bugs, all that, man. But so you need a constant, I feel like I need a constant flowing river in my life to keep it clean. You get what I'm saying, man? And you know, this is part of my healing journey. Like, this big trip is a healing journey for me, man. You know, I love to travel, I love to see different things, I love to be outside in nature and stuff. So, you know, this was gonna help me heal. This is helping me heal from my traumas, if you get what I'm saying, man. I know if you don't feel the same way, you may not understand it, but you know, I was in a very toxic relationship, abusive relationship. I was struggling with a lot of things for a long time, bro, and I just felt like I needed a new start, a new change, bro. And I'm doing it, bro. I'm 3 weeks in already, and you know, this healing journey has shown me a lot. You know, showed me a lot, man. And in this little period of time, man. Another thing is, I love to challenge myself. Like, I'm always up for a good challenge. Like, all right, boom, can I survive in negative 50 degrees, man? That's a challenge right there. Can I go 100 days without eating meat or something like that, bro? Not saying I'll ever do that, but I love challenging myself, bro. Like, even if a lot of y'all do come from my channel from the semen retention and no fab and stuff, that's a challenge, bro. Challenge yourself and having enough discipline to not watch porn, not release your semen, not, you know, live in fornication, you know. So was one of the challenges that I challenged myself to do, and I'm progressively getting better at that, man. So this was a new challenge that I love to take up. I'm a big risk taker too. Like, bro, this was the biggest risk of my life. Quitting my 9-to-5 job, not even a 9-to-5, like a 4 a.m. to like 8 p.m. at night job, that I was making good money, you know, consistent money, leaving my mother's household, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I felt like I had it good, but that was a big risk, and this is what God told me to do. Like, he was, if God didn't want me to do this, he would have stopped me from doing this. You know, he would have never gave me the vision to do it. So that's why I did it, man. And like, tying back into this being a challenge, bro, adversity builds character, like Kevin Gates said. Anytime you put yourself in a, even if you don't put yourself in it, but even anytime you're in a bad situation where you're going through some type of adversity, some type of challenge or something like that, you begin to realize things in life that, you know, some things are not what they seem to be, man. You know, we tend to overlook a lot of things. You get what I'm saying, man? And with me doing this, like, I felt like I had to lose it all, everything that I've known in my whole life, to gain something 10 times better, if you get what I'm saying, bro. Like, I lost having a consistent job, income, roof over my head, bro. Lost it all. Lost all that. Left my friends behind. Sacrificed my friends, my family for this, bro. For me. I had to do it for me, bro. And you know, a lot of people still are not gonna get it. They're gonna be like, well, that was a dumb decision, but you are not me. I can give you my glasses right here, but you will not see the same vision that I see through these glasses, bro. That's how I have to look at things, man. When you go through a storm, the sunshine and the rainbow on the other side is so much better, bro. The bigger the storm, the bigger the blessing. And it's sad to say that sometimes, but yeah, the bigger the storm, the bigger the blessing. You just have to keep faith in God. Put your trust all in him, man. And, you know, I feel like doing this, bro, is a big ego kill. Like, I'm killing my ego with this, bro. I'm realizing how small I am in this world, bro. And I feel like this was meant to humble me as a person, because I was getting kind of like top-headed and stuff like that. But, bro, you know, some people are forced to live like this. You get what I'm saying? You know, I chose to live like this. I chose to quit my job and do this, but it was for the better, for my mental being, my mental health. So I've definitely been humbled a lot during this trip, because, you know, I realized the things that we have in daily life that we take for granted, like, not a lot of people have it, bro. Like, you know, technically I'm not homeless, I'm houseless, but some people don't even have a car to sleep in. Bro, I've literally met this dude down in Dallas, bro. It's crazy how we started talking. You know, he was my age, bro, and he's living on the street with his dog, bro. And I'm like, bro, God made me meet you for a reason. And it's just like, you know, I'm thinking, okay, I'm living in my truck. Yeah, it's fun sometimes, but I don't have a place to call my own. But this guy doesn't have anything except for him and his dog. So it's like, it really humbled me right there. It killed my ego, and was like, okay, Meech, like, you're more blessed than other people. Be grateful for it. And I'm very grateful for this, man. And I'm grateful that God's even given me the ability to quit my job and travel full time, man. So yeah, man, like, I really felt like I had to lose my old self, lose it all, kill my old self, to humble myself and to really rebuild my 2.0 version of myself and see things in life for how they really are, instead of just taking everything for granted, man. Because once I do get a house again and do get my own place, I'm gonna take that so much more for granted. I'm not gonna take it for granted, bro. I'm gonna be so, like, thankful for it, because, you know, not a lot of people have what I have. Not a lot of people have the things that we have in everyday life, whether it be food, water, shelter, even just somebody to talk to. And like I said earlier in the video, bro, like, I don't like being stagnant in one place, you know, at one time. I like being a constant flow. I like being like a stream, a river, constantly flowing, man. So, you know, and me with my ADHD brain, I constantly need stimulation. Like, I constantly need new things. That's why my job was getting old to me. Baltimore was getting old to me, because it was just the same old thing every day, and that becomes depressing. So, you know, what do you do when the thing you're so used to and you do every day on a daily basis gets old? You leave it behind, and you try something new, bro. And I love traveling, and traveling is one of the best things to do if you need a mind that's constantly need to be stimulated, bro, because you see new things each and every day. And you're never gonna travel the whole world in your lifetime. You can try, but there's always going to be something going on in your life, man. And one of the factors that actually told me it was time to go was where I live at, bro. I've never seen a bald eagle in my life. Never. I've lived there for about 8 years. I've never seen a bald eagle. The day or two before I was about to leave for this trip, I was asking God, like, please send me signs, like, this is what I really need. This is what you really want me to do. This is something that I, should do. And bro, I look up in the sky, bro. Something just tells me to look up in the sky, and I see a bald eagle going past me, bro. So I'm like, I've never seen a bald eagle before. So I look it up real quick, and it says it means that it's time for a new beginning, a new journey. You're soaring high and stuff like that. Like, there's a rebirth, a new life coming your way. And I was like, dang, bro, that was really a sign for me to get up and go. So that's why I got up and went in the next 2 days, man. Like, that was a confirmation from God. So yeah, man, that's basically the reason why I chose to live out of my car. If you have a similar story, or you've been thinking about living out of your car, and like I said, you share a similar story, think about it. I don't advise anybody to just go out and do it, bro. If you really feel like that's what your heart and God's calling you to do, then do it. If not, keep thinking on it, bro. It took me 2-3 years to actually do this, bro. But I just had enough of the regular life. I was just sick of it. And now I'm in the beautiful state of Colorado, hiking mountains, going to national parks, doing crazy things, bro. And I'm not saying I'm going to be doing this forever, but I'm young right now. It's a life experience, bro. I could just be living out of my car, working, staying in Maryland, but that's no fun, bro. If I'm living in my car, I'm definitely going to go travel the country. Like, So with that being said, man, it's your boy Meech the Preach. Thank you for tuning into this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next video, man.